just installed this Novascreen Patio screen door. Here it is. It's pretty nice. Works just like I wanted. Only thing that worries me is the rail that runs along here. It's about 1.5 inches tall. And it's kind of flimsy, and like people are gonna step on this, and I'm worried it's just gonna get bent. So I'm thinking about cutting some strips of wood and just reinforcing this side, potentially on the inside, so that can't bend. Round up a couple chunks of hardwood flooring. This is a transitional piece that I think will create some support here. It's not that thick, but it's about half the height, and I got to be below, when I put this on here, I got to be below that clearance of this sliding part anyway. So, and then I've got another piece of just hardwood that I'm going to cut, place on the inside. So there we go. I've got an inside strip. I've got this outside strip. And this piece on the inside. So once these are in place, that creates half the height of this to bend back and forth. Screw these down nice and tight. First I'm going to paint them white. So I've got my 2 completed support pieces here. I painted, and then I put a coat of oil-based varnish on there to hopefully help withstand the test of time. One slides in there nicely, and the other one's going to go here as tight as I can get it. I'm going to pre-drill 4 holes through this so it doesn't split it. And I've got 4 3-inch wood screws here, so I'm just gonna push that way as hard as I can. So this shouldn't affect the performance of the door at all, but it's going to make this way more stable.